Hello everyone, welcome back to DigiTech Dynamo. Today we are going to build a complete IoT project using ESP8266 and Adafruit IO. In this project, we will control an LED from a desktop dashboard, and its status will be displayed on an OLED screen. This is a cloud-based IoT system, which means you can control it from anywhere in the world. Let's start. What is Adafruit IO? Before starting, let me explain what Adafruit IO is. Adafruit IO is a cloud IoT platform that allows you to connect hardware devices like ESP8266, ESP32, or Arduino to the internet. It works using MQTT protocol, and it allows you to send data to cloud, receive data from cloud create dashboards, add buttons, sliders, gauges, monitor sensors remotely. So basically, it is a bridge between your hardware and the internet. Hardware connection. Now let's see the hardware setup. We are using ESP8266 NodeMCU LED display, I2C, LED connected to D4 pin. The OLED is connected using I2, C SDA to D2, SCL to D1. The LED is connected to D4 with a resistor. Adafruit IO desktop. Setup code explanation. Now let's understand the code. We included ESP8266 Wi-Fi library, Adafruit IO _Wi-Fi library, Adafruit SSD1306 library. We defined Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password, Adafruit IO, username, Adafruit IO, key. Then we created a feed named LED. We also created display functions, draw Wi-Fi connecting, draw Wi-Fi connected, draw LED status. When the device connects to Wi-Fi, it shows Wi-Fi connecting on OLED. After successful connection, it shows Wi-Fi connected. When button is pressed from dashboard, the callback function handle message runs. It reads the value. If value equals 1, LED turns on. If value equals 0, LED turns off. And the OLED updates the LED status with icon. Now let's see the real working. I have connected my ESP8266 to power. You can see on OLED Wi-Fi connecting. After a few seconds, Wi-Fi connected. Now I open my desktop dashboard. Here you can see the toggle button. When I press on, the LED turns on immediately. OLED shows LED on with glowing icon. When I press off, the LED turns off. OLED shows LED off. This proves that our ESP8266 is successfully connected to Adafruit IO Cloud and working in real time. Real-world applications. This project can be extended for home automation, smart light control, remote device control, IoT monitoring systems, smart switch systems. If you liked this IoT project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DigiTech Dynamo. In upcoming videos, we will connect sensors and build advanced IoT dashboards. See you in the next video. Thank you.